What's up guys, Dylan here. Another video, GMC Sierra mods. It's been a while guys since I posted my last video, but hopefully I'm going to be posting more often. I got some new computer software and GoPro 7. I did the Flowmaster Outlaw exhaust review, the Hypertech Programmer review. Today I'm going to go over some lights that I hooked up. Aurora Z lighting, clutch. So far nothing but great reviews. I got 4 pods. I didn't go with the fender wheel well like everybody else does. I ended up going underneath the truck, right across that cross member where the dampener goes. And then in the back, right under there, and I'll turn them on a second so you guys can see them, but basically I just didn't want to drill holes into my fender wheel liners. I still might in the front just because I made some stuff at work and for my shock hoops, I guess you could say. For my struts, it's all for looks, but it's the little things. So I might put lighting under there just to show off this. Drew it up, designed it, had it burned out at work, drilled and tapped. 20 by 12s, -51 offset. Everything you see on the truck, all the mods, I'm gonna make a video about each one. I kind of did it backwards. Instead of making the video as I was doing it, I already installed it, but I guess that's a good thing because I can give some tips and tricks on the easy way to do it, what I found, this and that. So back to the Aurora Z lighting. We're gonna go over that real quick. I basically have a little nest back here, but it's not as bad as it looks. It's all set together. I just need some more 1/2-inch wire loom to hide it all. But I got them following the factory harnesses that were already on the truck. That's the way I ran the wires to my rock lights. That way there was no interference with the fan or nothing like that. And then I ran that up right through down there. You can see it goes to the cross member, up around here, electrical taped. And then I used that for a negative, factory on the truck. You can see that. And then I used this positive, which was factory on the truck. And then I do have inline fuse, safety issues or safety feature. And then I wanted to point this out. Instead of trying to go through the firewall to run the toggle switch, I got a better idea. So before you guys do this, make sure you watch this. I ran through that fender right there along the driver's side, okay, and there's just like a plastic circle cover like the size of a 50-cent piece that pops out. I ran my wires in through there, down through here, and then like 11 o'clock past the e-brake lever, you can see where the wire's coming through. And then I ran it through here, above everything, hit everything, zip tied, down through here, center console, and then right there. Now I have power all the time because I wired it the way that I showed you. I wanted that for a reason. Now I mounted it right here. It's out of the way. Again, I just didn't want to drill through my center console for the button. I don't think it looks bad at all. Let's see what they look like. Like I said, I got 4 lights. They're bright. It's the daylight, but they're still bright. And then I ran 1/2-inch wire loom with the original harness, or the factory wire loom, all the way down the frame, up around the gas tank, and then I rode the inside of the frame right here, and I have it zip tied up by the shock but out of the way. That's one light, and then the other light is over there on the other side of the tire. Really bright, shows off my powder coating. And I will go over all this stuff, what I got done to it. But that'll be for different videos. Other than that, like I said, Aurora Z lighting, very happy. I think I got them for $20 a pod. I got 4 of them. I'm probably gonna get 4 more just to have, but I don't want it bright. I don't want it overkill. I don't like that look. So 2 of them might be for reverse lights hidden behind the tow hitch, just because my windows, I can't see a darn thing out of them. So I'm thinking putting some lighting somewhere back here, just so when I do put it in reverse, I can see better. And the way I ran it in the rear, I connected the passenger side to the driver's side, okay, and then ran everything down the driver's side. Now the battery is on the passenger side, but like I said earlier, I ran it so my positive's right here, inline fuse, then my negative. You can't really ask for anything better than that. It's next to the fuse box. No issues. You'll have power all the time. Just remember to turn them off when you're done. So like I said, Aurora Z lighting, heard about them through the grapevine. I think it was Instagram. Had a couple questions for them before I ordered. They got right back to me. I can't say nothing but good things now. Already got them wet, washed my truck a few times, had the underwater blaster with my pressure washer and at a car wash. No issues. The wire's nice. They have good coating. They give you probably, I don't know, maybe 12 inches of wire off the light, and then you just add. I use that shrink tubing, and then some 1/2-inch wire loom. I think it's 16 gauge wire, I want to say, but I am getting some more wire loom for that. On a rainy day, I'll probably pull it in the garage and kind of tidy that back up, cut the zip ties and hide it a little better, but it looks really good. I'm happy with it. Any questions, leave a comment. Next time I'll be posting a video about something else, so like, subscribe, be the first one to know when another video is. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.